Anybody watching my videos knows that I love my C10, C15 GMC truck. All is not perfect though. There are a few things I want to point out that have been bugging me. So, first thing, let's look at the door. My driver's door does not open far enough. Passenger door is fine. Driver's door, it's for the full figure gentleman, it's difficult to get in. I replaced my hinge because I mean the pins were shot. It seemed like an easy fix, and this is an easy fix. Just I need to take off the hinge and just make an adjustment in there. I don't know, I just haven't done it. Right? It took so much time lining up this door. I don't want to go back and redo it. Next thing is the bodywork. And again, go back to through the videos. Packing the body full of fiberglass and Bondo is not, of course, restoration of a truck. It gets me by, gets me down the road, gets me driving my truck and kind of troubleshooting, debugging it. And so that is something, and I mean, I'm assuming it's coming out on camera, but the more I look of it, the more I'm not proud of it. I mean, I put a lot of steel in, but yeah, it's something that, going forward I will have to address. The cab is pretty good. Door bottoms are not good. Needs to be fixed. Front fenders I can live with. The box, I have to make some hard decisions. Is it just a whole new box? A whole new box side, because it's, I mean, the bottom of the box here, the fenders, the bottom of the box here, it's all pretty bad. That might be livable, but yeah. So I mean, it's and then the inside, right? It's of course a restoration. I want it to be rusty, but just horrible rusty metal is not what I'm going for. The next is the gearing. When I am cruising down the highway, we are getting into the upper limits of the RPM range. Hammer down! I'm not sure how much I can live with that. Great around town, great cruiser, great 2-lane road kind of truck. But am I going to want to take the freeways? Am I going to want to take the, go a little faster? There's 60. I mean, maybe this is an easy decision for a lot of people. Put a 5-speed in, gear vendor overdrive, change the rear end gears, but these are all, it's money. That's not something personally I can easily do. It's not just bolt on a 5-speed and go. There's a lot of things to consider, right? And I don't want to lose the spirit of the truck and the 3 on the tree. I'd like to keep that. So yeah, it's something that's been bugging me, but yeah, it might need to be addressed. All right, next thing, the floor, well, or should I say the mat or the carpet. I just got a rubber floor mat from a 90s pickup, just to kind of get by. I didn't want anything fancy. the floors for these trucks can be quite expensive, repo, even like the vinyl rubber. So it's good, it gets by, not great. Same with the seat. I'm pretty sure I showed that in some videos. The seat's from a 90s truck, little lower, little thinner, headrests, things like that. It's an inexpensive way to just, you know, get the job done. But as you can see here, I'm not too proud of that. Yeah. Okay, last thing I wanted to show is just how inboard the wheels sit on these trucks. And I mean, that's how they were, that's how they came. I bought these dished wheels hoping to correct that a bit, but still, especially on the back, just for look, and I realize this is cosmetic, but I mean, cosmetic is kind of what the truck is, right? So it doesn't really affect how it drives and operates. But when you're comparing modern vehicles, of course, the wheels and tires are pushed outward, and it gives it that I hate to say it, but stance look. And it kind of what dates the truck in a way is how inboard it is. And it just something I wanted to address. So that's it. Small list, pretty picky, but 5 things I don't like about my C10 Restoration. Thanks for watching. Wait a minute. What?